Good afternoon, girls. Now we'll see another example. Forensic scientist can determine the height in centimeters of a person based on the length of the thigh bone. They usually do so using the function h of b is equal to 2.47b plus 54.10, where b is the length of the thigh bone. So here instead of the function f of x, it is given h of b is equal to 2.47b plus 54.10. What is h here? Height of the thigh bone. What is b here? Length of the thigh bone. Question. What we have to find here? Check if the function h is 1 to 1. Second question. Find the height of the thigh bone if the length is 50 centimeter. Find the length of the thigh bone if height is 147.96 centimeter. So now we come to the question. Answer. Given the function is h of b is equal to 2.47b plus 54.10. First we have to check the function h is 1 to 1. For that, what we have to show is assume h of b1 is equal to h of b2. Then we have to show b1 is equal to b2. h of b1 is equal to h of b2 implies h of b is this. In the place of b, you put b1. h of b1 is equal to 2.47 b1 plus 54.10 equal sign we will put here. And what is h of b2? In the place of b, you write b2. 2.47 b2 plus 54.10. Both sides with plus sign get cancelled. So what is left is 2.47 b1 is equal to 2.47 b2. 2.47 get cancelled. Therefore b1 is equal to b2. Hence h is 1 to 1 function. Once again, to show, check if the function h is 1 to 1. Assume h of b1 is equal to h of 2. We have to show b1 is equal to b2. Go to the second question. Find the height of the thigh bone if length is 50 centimeter. Length means b here. So in the place of b, you substitute 50. Height means h you have to find out. So write the formula. Length means b is equal to 50 centimeter. Height means h you have to find out. So h of b is equal to 2.47b plus 54.10. It is given in the question. Put b is equal to 50 centimeter. So h is equal to 2.47. b is 50. So multiplication plus 54.10. 2.47 into 50 is 123.50. So multiplication is this plus 54.10. So when you add these two numbers, 177.60 you are getting. Therefore h is height. Height of the thigh bone is 177.6 centimeter. Third question is find the length of the thigh bone if height is 147.96 centimeter. H is given. Length means b we have to find out. So given height h is equal to 147.96 centimeter. Find the length. Length means b we have to find out. We know. So the other way you write. Instead of h this side, you write h the other side. 2.47 b is plus 54.10 is equal to h. Put h is equal to 147.96. So 2.47 b plus 54.10 is equal to 147.96. 54 plus 54.10, when it goes to the other side, subtraction. When you subtract 93.86, so 93.86. Therefore b is equal to 2.47 multiplied. When it goes to the other side, division. After 2 digits, there is a point. So to remove the point, multiply numerator and denominator 100. So decimal will go off. So we will get 9386 by 247. So division is done here. When you divide 9386 by 247, you get quotient as 38, remainder as 0. Therefore, B is equal to 38. What is B? Length of the thigh bone. Yes, B is equal to 38 centimeter.